everybody. So it has been a while since I've done a Dollar Tree haul. Since the Dollar Tree has gone up to $1.25, I don't shop there as often. I still might walk in, but a lot of times I just walk out. But since they have been going up in price, they've been getting some good stuff. I noticed if you guys check out the books, I've seen a lot of people hauling some really great books. I've been checking out my stores, nothing really I find, but I really love in the book selection. Some of their toy selection is great. But I'm here to share with you guys what I am super excited to share with you what I found. So, Walmart, not that long ago, I want to say like maybe even 2 or 3 months ago, maybe, I don't even know how many months ago, they had a whole Sesame Street Wet and Wild line. I was looking at it, but I'm like, you know what, I'm not paying the prices for that stuff. And so I heard that they were having this stuff at the Dollar Tree, and I'm like, okay, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. And I went to a Dollar Tree this morning by my Walmart, and they didn't have anything. And then I went to a different Dollar Tree when we were in the area, and they had exactly what I wanted. There's a couple more things that I'm on a hunt for, but I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting a bunch of these Sesame Street makeup brushes. I scanned this with the Walmart app, and they wanted $16.88 for it. Now, I don't know if that was a third party or if that was the Walmart price, but I am super excited to get this because, number one, they are makeup brushes, and you can't go wrong with makeup brushes. So I ended up getting like, I think I got like 5 of them. I will share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting that. And then I also got this makeup palette. I didn't check to see what the price was for these, but half of these were broken at my store. Like maybe more than, they had like maybe 20 or 30 of them, and pretty much all of them were broken. But I ended up getting 2 of these palettes, one for me and one for my daughter. She's obsessed with wearing makeup, so I'm like, okay, we'll get it. But I really like it. Like, they have some solid colors. I really like the shimmery and the gold colors, but you can't go wrong with this for that palette. You know, that's a great palette to have. So I'll share with you guys what else I got. Then when we were walking out of the store, I saw a lady who had a couple boxes of Lucky Charms, and I'm like, I wonder how much she paid for that. Because now Dollar Tree is not just $1.25. I saw a lot of stuff that is like $2, $3, $4, and that's not all in the plus aisle. The grocery section has a lot of stuff. Well, anyways, I saw an end cap, and they had a whole end cap full of Lucky Charms. The regular sizes and the large sizes. And I also found out that my store has a price checker. A price checker. That was awesome. Well, I found the boxes of cereal, and so this is a large size of the Lucky Charms, and these don't expire till February of 2025. These were $1.25, so I bought 4 boxes for this. I do know there is a Shopium digital coupon. I'm assuming they take for $1 off of 2. I'm assuming they might take the digital coupon for that, but otherwise there is a, I bought a rebate. I have to see if the Dollar Tree takes that digital, but I couldn't pass up a box of cereal for $1.25. $1.25, so I got 4 of those. I left the other boxes upstairs because I didn't need to share with you guys 4 boxes of Lucky Charms. Okay, my husband was with me, so he ended up getting these Greta crackers with garden vegetables. Okay, yeah, there you go, Graham. He ended up getting some 2-part epoxy. I've used some of this before. It's a pretty decent thing. We have another makeup brush. He got some, was it super glue? Some super glue does its thing. And then he ended up getting some lemonade and cherry licorice. So that was what he chose. I mostly just wanted to get the Wet and Wild stuff and the Lucky Charms when I walked in the door. So I got that. Then we have another bag for another thing of the makeup brushes. And my daughter right now is obsessed with makeup, so I thought she can have 1 box and I will keep the rest because I definitely use makeup brushes like crazy. This person got bag happy and like put like only a couple items per the bag. So here is my other palette that I got. And then my husband's been drinking a lot of these Pure Kick things where he puts them in his drink. He really likes it, and for $1.25 you can't go wrong with that. And then I ended up getting one of these body glitters. I should have gotten 2, but we have the little body glitter, and it's like a purple glitter. I used to wear glitter all the time. it's not really in style anymore, but I was always putting like these roller glitter on my eyes all the time. But my daughter really wanted this, and I'm like, that's fine, you can have it. So I got that. And then they had a Elmo tint, lip tint. So they got that. And then after, if you guys watch a TikTok video, I show everything that I found at the store. So I got all of that. My husband's like, you got that all for $1.25? I said, yeah. And then these cookies are thebomb.com. Now, if you guys are familiar with Girl Scout cookies, recently found out, I didn't know this, but there is 2 different companies that make Girl Scout cookies. It just depends on where you live. But this is one of the companies that makes Girl Scout cookies. And so these taste exactly like the Girl Scout cookies. And I will buy cookies that I can't get from Girl Scouts. But these ones, I will not buy Thin Mints from Girl Scouts anymore, because I can get these and these taste exactly like the Girl Scout cookies, and they're only $1.25 towards, and all these boxes are $5. We got some more super glue that the husband grabbed. Nasal spray. He uses this every once in a while when he's all clogged up. It does help if you guys are ever clogged up. I ended up finding this little pink glitter lip gloss. I can't remember what her name is. There's Zoe, and I can't remember what her name is. But I thought this would be cute. My daughter's at that age where she just likes to dress up in cute little things. So, got that. Husband picked this Alani Mimoso drink. And then he ended up getting some of the adult cough medicine. My kids are sick, and that works just like a charm. And then my daughter really wanted lipstick. She really wanted lipstick, so we got some Sesame Street lipstick for her. So, got that. But I had to share with you guys this stuff. And I got one more bag to share with you. And then the last bag is just more of those makeup brushes. I could not pass these up. Like, what a great deal for these. But $16.99 I think is ridiculous. But I'm happy with the Wet n Wild. And it's Sesame Street. And my daughter's like, can we go to real Sesame Street? So I'm like, yeah, we'll have to figure out where it is. I think it's in Pennsylvania. But that was everything that I got at the Dollar Tree. We ended up paying $35 for everything. $35 for everything, but everything was marked at $1.25. So, oh, my daughter got one more. She got some like marshmallow candy or whatever. But I was pretty happy to find the cereal for $1.25 and the Wet n Wild products. I know there's more. I know there is a makeup sponge with Grouch on it that I want to try to find. And then there was supposedly a makeup bag that I was looking at. And then they did have a Cookie Monster mirror. I didn't need to get the mirror. And then they had a couple other things. But I really want to find the Grouch because it comes with a trash can. And I think that'd be cool to store my sponge in there. So, yes. But if you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. I should share with you guys more hauls, but I don't get as much stuff as what I used to. Again, I'm trying to cut back on a lot of things, but if I ever find something really cool like I did today, I will definitely share with that. So if you guys can score at your Dollar Tree, make sure you find it and check that stuff out. But if you guys score, please let me know. I would love to know if you guys score those good items. Give this video a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys another time when I do another Dollar Tree dollar haul. Okay? I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.